Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the door gap precisely. Note height and length in inches. Once done, clean the jamb and threshold with rubbing alcohol so adhesive sticks. Make your first cut to the foam weather stripping, leaving about 1/8 inch extra for compression. This prevents overcompression that can bind the door. Immediately test fit the strip before peeling the backing. If it's too tall, trim a hair at a time. This saves you redoing adhesive work later. You peel a small section of backing, 2 to 3 inches, and anchor the foam at one end of the jamb or threshold. Then, progressively peel and press, keeping the strip straight and avoiding stretch. Taut application will pull it out of alignment. Make sure the foam contacts the frame evenly so compression is gradual when the door closes. Once the full length is applied, run a roller or your thumb along the adhesive to remove air pockets and ensure full bond. This reduces early peel-off. You finish by trimming any excess foam with a sharp utility knife. A 45-degree cut gives a neater seam and prevents catching. Next, cycle the door 10 to 15 times to seat the foam. Listen and feel for rubbing or binding. If the door sticks, shave a little off the foam. If drafts persist, add a second, thinner strip or upgrade to a compressible gasket. One key troubleshooting tip: if adhesive fails, clean both surfaces again and use a contact cement for a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.